Hello! Welcome back to school. So, we're back in my online classroom. You had spring break. I hope you had some great family time and time to relax. And now it's time to get back into our learning. So, I wanted to welcome you all back. And I'm sure you had a great time. And if you want to message me and tell me some great stories about your break or send me pictures of things you did, I would love to see. I shared a picture with all of you of my family, of Autumn and Mr. Roberts and I on Easter. And I got to see a picture of Savannah. And she looked so pretty in her Easter dress. So, now, I'm going to go into just kind of reviewing what we've been doing with school and how we've been holding our online learning with our alternative learning days. And so we're going to look at our online lesson plan. We're going to review what you should do today, Monday, with school, what type of activities you're going to be engaging in, and where to find those things. And just kind of try to help guide you back into the swing of things, because we had a great routine going and then we had a really nice long break from it, so it's good for us to just try to get back into our routine. All right, so we're going to first look at our online lesson plan. So, in Class Dojo, on April 3rd, I shared the Unpacking Packet 2 video. So here's the instructional video to help you unpack and understand what Packet 2 is about. Underneath it is the online instructions. So if you click that, you'll open up to this. So all you have to do once you open up to it is scroll down to April 20th, which is today, to April 24th. Now this is the last week of Packet 2. So then after during this week, on Thursday, you'll receive Packet 3. So you either have to go to the school on Thursday or they'll get it to you. The school buses or however they've been distributing it will get you your Packet 3. So then I'll do an Unpacking Packet 3 video for that one. So scroll to April 20th to 24th or get your hard copy out that came with your Packet 3 to go over it with me. Your Packet 2, sorry. Then go over it with me. So today's Monday. So we're just going to look at Monday to kind of get a rough feel for what your expectations are for this week. Because some of the instructions are a little different than some of the things you've been doing. First thing on there is to click Add with a Pirate on YouTube. This is a hyperlink. So when you click it, it'll open up in another tab and it'll just start playing when you add with a pirate. It's a song that children are familiar with. We have done this video at school. They know this song, they should be able to sing along to it. You guys have been doing ST Math. You gotta do 10 to 15 minutes of it every day. You should be familiar with that one. And then in ELA, in Clever, you know Clever, we've been using that. Of course you know Brain Pop Jr., use it basically every day, sometimes twice a day. There's a character video. When you do that character video, after you do it, you're supposed to do the quiz for it and then watch the online read aloud of Clifford and the Little Blue Egg. That's also a hyperlink. It brings you right to YouTube. And the same thing with it when you add with a pirate. And this will be read to your child. We're reviewing story elements. So we're doing character today. So while they're reading it, they can focus on the character and the story. And this is a spring story, so it also has a theme. When they're done hearing the story and reading along with it, they can do their book review about the story. Then this instruction might have been a little confusing, so that's why I wanted to make this video and kind of explain. Starfall.com. It's in Clever. It's this one right here. It's in Clever. So when you go to Clever, it's the star right here. Starfall.com. You hit Starfall. Then we're kindergarten. There's, you guys may have been doing some things with first grade, or that might be coming up in the plans. But right now we're focusing on kindergarten for this activity. You go to the mouse, the yellow button that's a mouse, and do Learn to Read. The instructions say complete activities 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 during this week. I did 5. You should do 1 a day. It's 5 days in the week. You do number 1 on Monday, 2 on Tuesday, 3 on Wednesday, 4 on Thursday, 5 on Friday. And it says each number has a game, a book, and a skill. So there's the game, an at game, a book, and a skill. So you do start at 1, do the game, the book, and the skill, and then tomorrow, Tuesday, do the game, the book, and the skill. All right. Let's go back to the plans and look. You guys have been doing blend sheets. You know how to do that. Read 1 line of the CVC words from the phoneme segmentation practice sheet to someone. I've been doing that every day. And read fluency packet page to someone. And don't forget about your comprehension page. It's not in the instructions, but it is in your packet. And then Miss White has been doing some fabulous Raz Kids stories to help you all understand how to use Raz Kids. We've been having some questions from some parents about Raz Kids. So what Miss White did was she made herself a password in it as a student. So then she can go in videos and show you how to use Raz Kids and how to get a book and how to read the book in it and all that. It's really fabulous what she's been doing. So if you're having any trouble with Raz Kids, Miss White just shared a Raz Kids story the week before we went on to break. It's in Dojo. I'll show you. One moment. It's right here is the video that Miss White shared. So if you click it, calming down in our dojo. And then there she is. And so you see, she made herself Ollie. And so she'll go in and show you how to use Kids A to Z, or Raz Kids, with the robot as we call it for the children. And that's right here in our Clever is Raz Kids. So that is my video for today. I'm so happy to see you all back. Don't forget that every day during the week there's certain times that us teachers are sitting waiting for you online, waiting for you to come visit. This is the advertisement for it, and these are the hours that teachers are waiting online for you to come visit us. And that's the link. This is a picture, so the link is down here at the bottom, and you click it and just use your child's sign-in information, or if you have your own Gmail, you can use your Gmail, but it has to be a Gmail. And just sign in and come visit us. Come with your questions from any of your schoolwork you're doing, because we are there. And we want to see you. We miss you guys very much. So we're waiting to visit. I'm on every Friday. Friday from 3 to 4. See, 3 to 4, that's when I'm waiting. So I will be waiting here on Friday from 3 to 4, waiting to visit or answer any questions from any of your schoolwork. It can be online work or packet work, and I'll be very happy to answer and to just see your face. And you can use a phone too. You can sign in with a phone. Just click the link. I miss you all so much. I'm very excited to be back at school, even if it's online school. And I can't wait to speak to you and hear from you and see your work and see how much you're learning and how great you're doing.